Individual self-acceptance doesn't validate emotional coordination. It erodes belonging safety signals. This is the brief on emotion regulation and tribal belonging. An SDTEST poll spanning 66 countries and 533 responses reveals a surprising truth. How we validate emotional regulation depends entirely on our underlying value systems, proving exactly why standard wellness programs often fail. First, let's look at the purple vMEME in the spiral dynamics framework. Data shows a negative correlation of 0.09 when folks use personal self-acceptance to regulate feelings of insecurity. Does this mean self-acceptance is bad? Not at all. For the purple stage, emotion is regulated through tribal belonging. Focusing on individual self-acceptance actually triggers doubts about group safety and tribal legitimacy. Second, the exact same emotion regulation strategy is judged entirely differently across the other spiral dynamic stages. The system's reaction just isn't uniform. For example, blue validates through procedural duty, orange through strategic optimization, and green through relational authenticity. Applying one emotional strategy to all these systems is literally like trying to use the same key for 6 different locks. Finally, what breaks when we ignore this prediction gap? Well, when emotional wellness programs force personal affirmation metrics onto tribal-focused groups, they totally misfire. Group resistance increases because these systems view individualistic self-focus as a failure of group-aligned emotional processing. So, emotion regulation stops building actual emotional coordination. Treating individual self-acceptance as the ultimate proof of emotional regulation fundamentally breaks group-aligned safety signals. What happens when emotion regulation validation targets the wrong signal?